I'm now going to serve my cooked pilau. Ooh. Good evening to each and every one of you. I hope you're all doing fine, and as always, staying safe. If you're new to this channel, you can call me Links, and please consider to subscribe down below and turn on the post notification in order to not miss out in any of my other great content. In today's vlog is a highly requested meal which happens to be one of my favorites. And as usual, I'll show you how to prepare this pilau from beginning till the end, including this salad that you can see. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up at the end of it, and also get to share and subscribe, and also you can get to DM me for any type of meal that you'd like to see me do. And without any further ado, I'll start this vlog. So guys, I'll start by showing you the ingredients that I'll be using to cook this pilau. So I'll start by showing you this is the tomato paste that I'll be using, pilau masala, of course, a kilogram of boiled peas, mashed garlic and ginger, 8 chopped onions, 5 chopped tomatoes, boiled potatoes, and 3/4 of meat or beef meat. So the only thing that is not here is rice, which I'll show you after all this I've prepared. The main reason for me having boiled peas, beef and potatoes is to speed up the process of cooking this pilau, and right away I'll start to cook. So I'll start by pouring oil in the sufuria. That is enough. I'll then add the 8 chopped onions. Now that I've already spread them evenly, I'll let them cook for around 3 minutes. It's now time to add 5 chopped tomatoes because the onions have already turned golden yellow. Stir. Spread them evenly. And I will now let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now that the tomatoes and onions are ready, I'll have to add the beef meat. And now add the mashed garlic and ginger. Stir. I'll also add the tomato paste. also add this. A little bit. I will now add 8 cups of water and let it boil. I'll now add a spoon of pilau masala and stir. Now add 4 cups of rice. Now that our rice is 90% ready, I will add the boiled potatoes on top. The food is now ready to be served. I've just left the pilau a bit, and as you can see, I've just moved to the other side of the kitchen where I'm going to show you how I do prepare my salad. And I'm going to start with 8 chopped onions, 5 chopped tomatoes. Just going to mix them. So nice. I'm now going to add capsicum, aka hoho. Ha ha. Next is coriander. Next is the carrots. serve my cooked pilau. Ooh. That's enough for me. So guys, for me, I don't like this salad being mixed. I'll just put it aside. And because I already took some salad from this mixture that I already prepared, and I'll just eat it as it is, these two, which I will eat it with the pilau and the salad. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you learned a thing or two on how to prepare, and for the rest of you, I hope you liked the video, and also you can consider subscribing and turning on the post notification in order to not miss out in any of my other cooking videos. And without any further ado, I'll see you in the next video.